Before moving to show you how to create your AI influencer for free, you have to keep some things in mind. First of all, you have to define the character identity first. What I mean is that you have to think the age range. What should be the age of your AI influencer and what her personality should be. Like, is she cute? Is she sporty? Is she classic? Is she gamer girl? Or whatever you can make her. And the important part, you have to think of a backstory. Like, what is her job? What are her hobbies? What is her lifestyle looks like, because this makes character consistent. It builds a audience that is loyal. Otherwise, if you post randomly, that means the growth will be slow. Second thing you have to keep in mind is visual consistency. What I mean is that your AI influencer should have same face structure every time. She should have same hair color, same hairstyle, similar body proportion, and consistent fashion style. Because if your AI influencer has visual consistency, your followers will connect with your AI influencer's familiarity. Changing appearance too much will kill the trust and it will reduce your engagement. Third thing you have to keep in mind is platform strategy. If you post on different platforms, that means different content rules. Like on Instagram, you can't post spicy images because Instagram will flag your account. So you have to keep these things in mind. Moving to point number 4 is niche selection, and this is, in my opinion, the most important part, because you have to select your niche. What I mean is that you have to select if your AI influencer is sports girl, is she playing games, is she fashion student, or whatever niche you can select. There are a ton and hundreds of niches you can select, but you have to choose the niche first, because once your niche is selected, the audience will trust you that yes, this girl is real. Point number 5 is personality is more important than looks. The mistake most of the people do is that they post only spicy images and they build no personality. But you have to do these instead. You have to give opinions, you have to react to trends, and you have to create habits like morning coffee, match reactions, outfit check. This will give the audience a signal that yes, this AI influencer is real, and they will follow you. By following, they will give you more engagement, and more engagement means more viewers. Okay, moving to next point is that you have to create your content with AI that are easy to create, like mirror selfies, sitting talking videos, walking clips, PO videos, outfit transitions. Your content is hard to recreate, you will stop posting. And number 7 is engagement strategy and then monetization path. I will tell you these two in the later half of the video. So after keeping these things in mind, let's move on how we create AI influencer for free using free tools. First of all, I will create a new folder and name it model, and then save it. And first of all, we have to create our own AI influencer, and to create a AI influencer we need a face, and to create a face we will use Google Gemini. Yes, because Google Gemini is the best tool right now, because it gives your character consistency. So we'll move to Google Gemini. First of all, you will see interface like this, and you don't have to go to ChatGPT, because I will tell you how to create without ChatGPT. First of all, you have to select this create image option here, and then you have to write your prompt. First of all, you have to think your AI influencer identity. I will type this prompt here. A African girl with short blonde hair, skinny, 18 years old. So you have to write a prompt like this. You have to give her identity, and then you have to select the aspect ratio. I will select aspect ratio 1:1, and you have to, this is the important part here, you have to select the pro model. If you select fast or thinking, these two does not work very well. Like the fast is very garbage, so you have to select the pro model here and then hit submit button, and we will wait and see how our AI influencer will turn out. And after waiting some time, you can see our AI influencer model is ready. So simply download it, and we will save it in the folder we have recently created, like this model here. We will open this and we will rename this as face, and then save it. Now our face is ready. Now we need the photos we can post on Instagram with character consistency, meaning with face consistency. So what we will do, we will upload this face here, and we will try the prompt like this, the reference image. And now you have to describe what your reference image is doing. Like, She is on the beach with proper clothing with her friends. And I will give you a pro tip. You have to include this line like low quality image. By adding this line, the output image will look like it is real, it is taken from a camera. And if you need, you can also add this line selfie camera. And we will select the aspect ratio now. Aspect ratio, don't go on my spellings, these are bad. Aspect ratio is, we can choose 3:4 because this is the latest Instagram aspect ratio. And I will hit enter, and I will wait for some time, and let's see how this image will turn out. And guys, here you can see our first post is ready. Like this you can create consistent photos using Google Gemini. Now I will create a new post, and I will use some reference images from Pinterest. How will I do? I will create a new tab, and here I will write Pinterest, Pinterest, and then I will go to this website, and here you will see a interface like this. And here I will choose one reference image, like the clothes of this girl. I will use the clothes of this girl, and then I will simply press on the three buttons here, and then click on the download image, and then I will download it on the desktop. And now I will create a new tab, and here I will go to the chat GPT, and I will upload this photo here like this, and I will write a prompt like describe this image, and it will analyze the image. And here you can see it described the image, and I will simply copy it, and then go to Gemini again, and I will paste it here, and I will now upload our reference image, our model here like this. And now I will make some changes in the prompt. Like it looks like I will change it to the reference image model. I have made these changes here, and now I will check this prompt real quick here. Okay, now you have to make some changes in this prompt, like her hair is long straight, because our AI influencer doesn't have a long hair. So I will simply just remove this line here, and then I will hit generate, and let's see how will our image will turn out. And here you can see our next post is ready. So like this you can create your AI influencer consistent face images. Now I will tell you some important things that no one tells, that you have to keep in mind before posting on Instagram. First of all, you have to keep in mind, don't post immediately after creating account. First of all, warm up your Instagram account. Let account exist for a few days. Complete your profile first, like profile picture, bio, username, and then post. Point number two you have to keep in mind is that you have to act like a normal human account. Before posting heavily, you have to follow some accounts in your niche, and like some posts, watch some reels, save some posts, and scroll naturally. Don't overdo it, like you will like hundreds and thousands of posts. The Instagram will flag your account, and you will get your account shadow banned. Another thing you have to keep in mind, that you don't have to verify with your email. You have to verify you share with your phone number. This is the most important part before creating an Instagram account. You have to verify it with your phone number, because it will confirm your account security, and it will avoid suspicious behavior. Another point is that you don't have to copy paste and spam, and you have to post soft starter content. Don't post too spicy images at first, and you have to first warm up your reels, that I have told you in the video. And I will tell you another thing that is not written here, is that you don't have to post your link in your Instagram bio, because if you do, Instagram will 100% shadow ban your account until you get 10,000 followers. Don't post any link. After you got your first 10,000 followers, then post your link. So that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, subscribe my channel. And in next video, I will tell you how to create your AI influencer video with character consistency. So meet you in the next video. Bye.